Good morning to all. Myself, Dr. Arun again here from Aerospace Engineering Department. Today, I am going to take one topic from fluid mechanics for aerospace subject. Topic name is pressure, measurements, and buoyancy flotation. So, in that pressure, measurements, and buoyancy and flotation, there are the many types of measurements we can use for this cases. So what is meant by pressure? Pressure, it is a force extended by fluid for area. That is called as a definition of pressure. So in that measurement, in that pressure, it can be measure the various instruments like manometer, barometer, pressure gauges. So that this is the pressure definition. So in that definitions, pressure is equal to force by area. That is called as a fluid area. Unit can be vary based on the applications, Pascal, PSI, atmosphere, and bars. Example, the tire pressure for the two-wheelers. So we will utilize it for 30 to 35 megapascal. If I taken for the tensile strength and compressive strength, we will use for the Newton per meter squared or pascals, kilopascals or megapascals. So in the types of pressure measurements, so here the three devices can be used. One is for the absolute pressure, gauge pressure, differential pressure. So in that absolute pressure, it can be used to measure the perfect vacuum pressures. Next one is a gauge pressure. It will be used to measure the atmospheric pressure. For in that gauge, we can use it for the all the cases. Like we will check the tire pressure and check the compressor pressure. These are all the gauge pressure. Differential pressure, the difference between the monitor flow or filter. So like the two pressures, it can be used to monitor by using these devices. So the devices means the first one is a YouTube manometer, barometer, pressure transducer. So in that YouTube manometer, it can be used to gauge pressure very accurately, and Bourdon tube, it will be used to mechanical deformation and the pressure level of the equipments. Next one is a pressure transducer. So here the signals, it will be taken from the electrical signals or digital signals. These are all the different types of pressures measured by these devices. And the next one is a hydrostatic pressure. So the hydrostatic pressure formula for this case is P equal to rho G case. Rho it is a density of water, G it is a gravity, and H it is a depth. Example for the Marina trench depth is around 11,000 meter. And the next one is a buoyancy. So in that buoyancy, it will be utilized for this Archimedes principle. So that the formula for this buoyancy is F equal to rho Vg. So here the rho is fluid density, V is displacement velocity, and G is gravity. So buoyancy, it is a upward force extended by fluid and object immersed in it. So that example here, you see that figure, the steel ships float due to the low average of density than water. So next one is a flotation. So in that flotation means the floating occurs when the object is suspended in a fluid at equilibrium. So here the buoyancy forces is acting, it is equal to its weights. You see that the center of gravity of this boat, that is called as a floating. Next one is application of buoyancy and flotation. So it can be utilized for this many application purpose. First one is ship and submarines. So here the ballistic, it can be controlled the diving or surface maneuvers, and hot air balloons. So in that hot air balloons, it will be flown with the help of these buoyancy and flotations and life jackets. These are all the best example for this buoyancy and flotations. So thank you. We will catch you on next topic on next series.